Struggling to loosen stubborn lug nuts with the wrong tool? The best impact wrench for cars can change everything. In this review, we compare powerful impact drivers, battery efficiency, and build quality. We also highlight top automotive impact wrenches for beginners and professionals. Stick around to see which models deliver true performance and value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best impact wrench for cars. Let's get started.
1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench, DCF 900P1. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench is built for users who need real strength for car work. It delivers up to 1,030 feet-pounds of torque, which makes loosening tight lug nuts feel easy. Even old rusted bolts come off without much struggle. It feels solid in the hand, but not too heavy. The grip is shaped well, so it stays comfortable during longer use. A bright LED light sits at the front. It helps you see clearly in dark or tight areas. The impact wrench kit includes a battery, charger, and carry bag. The price is usually between $280 and $350. Verdict: a dependable option for anyone who wants strong torque, smooth control, and a tool that handles regular car tasks with ease. 2. AOBEN Cordless Impact Wrench Half-Inch Kit. The AOBEN Cordless Impact Wrench Half-Inch Kit is a simple and budget-friendly tool for car owners. It delivers up to 450 feet-pounds of torque, which works well for tire changes and light repairs. If you mainly work on your own car, this level of power is enough. This tool is easy to understand and use. You do not get complex settings, which makes it great for beginners. The battery gives decent runtime for small jobs. It is also lightweight compared to high-end models. This makes it easier to handle for longer periods. The LED light is helpful when working in low light. The price stays around $90 to $130, making it a low-cost option. Verdict: a best impact wrench for beginners or casual users who want a simple, affordable tool for basic car maintenance tasks.
3. MAGSEN Half-Inch Cordless Impact Wrench 900 foot-pounds, 1,200 Newton-meters. The MAGSEN Half-Inch Cordless Impact Wrench 900 foot-pounds, 1,200 Newton-meters is made for users who want strong output without spending too much. It delivers up to 900 foot-pounds of torque, which makes it a great fit for removing tight lug nuts and stubborn bolts on cars and pickups. It comes with two 4.0 AH batteries. This means less waiting and more working time. You can swap batteries and keep going without delay. The included sockets and charger make the kit ready to use out of the box. The handle feels steady and well-shaped. It sits nicely in your hand and does not slip. The built-in LED helps when working in tight or dark spaces. The price is around $120 to $180. Verdict: a great impact wrench choice for users who want high speed, strong torque, and good value for regular car work. 4. Seesii Impact Wrench 665 Ft-lbs 900 Newton-meters Cordless Kit. The Seesii Impact Wrench 665 Ft-lbs is a practical tool for everyday car tasks. It delivers enough torque to handle most lug nuts without feeling too aggressive. This makes it a safe option for users who want control and steady performance. Instead of focusing only on power, this model feels more balanced. The trigger response is smooth, so you can apply force step by step. This helps when working on parts that need care. It also feels lighter than many high-torque tools. That makes it easier to use for longer periods without fatigue. The LED light adds extra help in low-light areas. The price sits around $110 to $170. Verdict: a solid option for users who want steady control, simple use, and reliable results for daily car maintenance. 5. ARCCAPTAIN Cordless Impact Wrench 1,500 Newton-meters, 1,106 foot-pounds.
The ARCCAPTAIN Cordless Impact Wrench 1500 Newton meters is built for users who need serious force. With up to 1,106 foot-pounds of torque, it handles heavy-duty car tasks with ease. It works well on large vehicles, including trucks and SUVs. This impact wrench focuses on raw strength. It can break loose very tight or stuck bolts quickly. That makes it useful for tough repair jobs where weaker tools fail. The body feels solid and slightly heavier, which matches its power level. Still, the grip is shaped well and stays comfortable during use. A front LED light helps improve visibility in tight spaces. It also supports larger sockets, which is useful for bigger bolts. The price ranges from $140 to $200. Verdict: an ideal impact wrench for users who need high torque for demanding jobs and want a tool that handles heavy work without slowing down. 6. Bluebow 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench 900 foot-pounds 1200 Newton meters. The Bluebow 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench 900 foot-pounds offers a nice mix of strength and ease of use. It delivers up to 900 feet of torque, which is enough for most car jobs. Tire removal, bolt tightening, and basic repairs feel smooth with this tool. What makes this model stand out is its steady control. The variable speed trigger responds well, so you can adjust the force easily. This helps when working on parts that need a careful touch. It does not feel too aggressive or hard to manage. It feels well balanced in hand and not too heavy. The grip is comfortable, which helps during longer tasks. A small LED light adds better visibility in darker spots. The price stays around $120 to $180. Verdict: a good impact wrench pick for users who want smooth control, solid power, and a balanced tool for regular car work.
7. PAOWAFOL 2026 Impact Wrench 1180 foot-pounds 1600 Newton meters. The PAOWAFOL 2026 Impact Wrench 1180 foot-pounds is built for users who deal with tough jobs often. It delivers very high torque, which helps remove tight bolts quickly. This makes it useful for trucks, RVs, and heavy-duty cars. What stands out is its strong hitting force. It breaks loose stubborn fasteners with less effort. At the same time, the trigger gives you control, so you do not apply too much force by mistake. This balance makes it easier to handle different tasks. The tool includes two 4.0 Ah batteries. You can work longer without stopping often. The motor stays stable during use and does not slow down easily. This helps keep your work smooth and consistent. It has a sturdy body that feels durable. The grip supports long use without much discomfort. A front LED light helps you see clearly in dark areas. The price is around $130 to $190. Verdict: a strong impact wrench for users who need high torque and want a tool that handles heavy work with confidence.
Which best impact wrench for cars should you buy? For top performance, pick the DEWALT DCF 900P1. It offers strong torque and long-term reliability. On a budget, the AOBEN is a simple and affordable choice for basic tasks. For a balance of power and price, go with MAGSEN or Bluebow. For heavy-duty work, ARCCAPTAIN or PAOWAFOL are better options.